if you're in the market for something to mount your awning to on your, if you got a Wildtrak or you got some sort of cruiser with rails and you're having trouble sourcing a bracket for it, this is the video for you. So today we're going to show you exactly how you can turn $15 and a trip to Bunnings into a ready-made mount for your awning. So you don't need many materials. You pretty much just need a bit of flat bar, a grinder, a little rubber hammer, a little mallet, a couple of bolts, and everything's already there on the awning mount kit. So we're going to show you how to do it. So the problem I've had with sourcing these ready-made rail brackets is they're either super expensive or there's a massive wait time, like 30 business days or something stupid. And if you're like me and you've already got your awning, you just want to bang up something nice and quick that's gonna work, this is the video for you. So I haven't personally been able to find anything at all looking through YouTube and on Google. I've seen a couple of the ready-made brackets mounted, but I like to do things myself if I've got the time to do it. So I'll just give you guys a bit of an insight in how I'm going about it, and hopefully we can get you your awning on your roof as quickly as possible. One more thing to add, I'd been weighing up whether to get a roof rack for a while, just because it's obviously a lot easier to mount awning or a shower tent or something like that to it, but I really don't need it right now. So it's just an extra expense, $900 or even further, depending on what brand you go, and literally make this bracket for $15. So this is an easy solution. It's not hard to do. If you got some basic tools, you can put it together and you can do it pretty quickly. So let's get stuck into it. So you can see I've got the awning up there. I'll take you up there in a sec. I've just got a couple of fasties just to hold it on there. If you swing around this side, these are your brackets that come with it. So these little bolts just slide into this channel here via the middle section. Slide them on, put these mounts on. That's the easiest way I've found to do it. And then virtually it's going to sit something like that. I might have to trim this bracket back a bit, but we're pretty much making a little bit of flat bar that goes over the top there, and then we'll have a bolt there and a bolt there to clamp it into place. So should make more sense once we actually get some visuals on there, but yeah, we'll show you how we're going about it. So this is it, guys. As you can see, I've already put a slit in here and I've bent it to the first angle, but that's literally just a bit of flat bar that I got from Bunnings. It was about $3 or $4, so I got one for one bracket and one for the other. So quickly show you. So that's just going to sit there like that. I just got to bend it down there, and then a 90-degree.
Audio Jungle.
That's the update on the first one. We just got to mark it out and then cut another line there on that side though, and then bend that to 90 degrees and we're right to go. Would be just to do one bracket at a time. Start at the back, get that one right, then work your way forward, because as you can see on the rail itself, it curves down slightly, so there might have to be a bit of tweaking you do on the front one just to get it nice and level. Well, we got both brackets bent up. We're just going to give them a quick coat of paint, tie them in nicely. We got the holes drilled. Wait for that to dry, and then we'll get it mounted. She's come up all right. There's nothing special. It's pretty much all it is. Just had to play around and go back and forth to get the angles right. That's how she looks. Righto, the paint's dried on those two brackets. The last thing to do is just mount a bit of foam in underneath, just so when she gets clamped onto the rail, she's not going to scratch over time, just in case I ever need to take it off. So I had a bit of leftover EVA foam from the tinny build, and I'm just going to use that, cut it up, and that should be a nice little bit of cushion in between the clamp and the Wildtrak rail itself. Well, there you have it, guys. She's done. That's the finished product. She's not the neatest job in the world, but she's sturdy as. She looks alright. You're not, unless you're really looking close, you're not going to be able to tell. I'm sure you guys will be able to do a neater job. Yeah, there's just a bit of insight on how to go about it and how easily it can be done up yourself. So go and have a crack at it, and hopefully we'll see you out on the track.